Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you the types of crotons that I have here in the village. I did a video when I was in Nairobi and I showed you the croton that I have there, and I'd promised that when I travel to the village I was going to show you the different types of crotons that I have. Croton has variety of colors and appearance, and they come in different styles and shapes. So here I have a few of them. I'm sure I don't have all of them yet, but I have quite a number. I'm going to show you these different types of croton and also show you the cuttings that I came with and where we planted them. So stick by and watch this video to the end. Meanwhile, we are still enjoying the pawpaw season, and every day is a pawpaw day for me in the village. So guys, one thing with plants or flowers or trees, they really make a big difference in a space. I have seen you can find a home or a homestead that has a very beautiful house, but if there are no flowers or trees or even a simple landscaping, you will not see the beauty of that house. And then you can also get a house or a homestead that has a very simple house, a modest house, just simple one. It can be a permanent or semi-permanent or even a mabati house, but the landscaping that has been done in that homestead can really make you not even see the house. So I believe in plants. I believe in making a space just look beautiful, without really having to spend so much. Like what I've planted here and also in the city are plants that I can always replant again. I just buy one type of a plant and reproduce it, like the croton. Once the croton is of a certain height that I can get the cuttings, I just get the cuttings and put them in water, and I have more of that. Then also you learn the area that you live in. If it is a dry area, you know which type of plants that needs to be planted there. This took me a while before knowing. I used just to come with plants. Even if I see a beautiful flower, I'll just come with it. But with time, I've come to realize that in this area that I stay, there are plants that will grow and there are plants that will not grow. So plants make a place really look very beautiful. So don't just leave your space bare. Try to put a plant or two. So let's see the beauty of my crotons. So let me show you the types of croton that I have here. Forgive the background noise. This is one of them. This one I have it in Nairobi. I took a cutting. Now I have that. That is one type. Just want you to spot the difference of all these crotons. This is another one. This here is another one. This is yellow and green. No purple in it. A bit of brown, yellow and green. This here is another one. This here. This is green. Is it red and yellow? A different one. Is another one. This is yellow and green, but the blades are thin. The other one had wide blades, but this one is narrow. So this is another type of croton. We are approaching this. Another croton. This is purple and green and yellow, but it's also narrow leaves. The leaves are not broad and narrow leaves, just like the other one. Very beautiful. Crotons are very beautiful because of the colors. The colors they have, they make a space look so nice. This is another croton. Very beautiful. You can just see. This is another croton. I told you I have crotons, and anytime I get the one that I don't have here, I always bring it home. So this is short leaves. It has yellow and green, but you can see the way the leaves are short and very beautiful. This is beautiful. This is another one. Look at now. These ones, the leaves are very narrow. It's called needle-like. This is also croton. Very nice. You see, very beautiful. This is also croton. This is another one. This is another one. Dotted. A dotted croton. Dotted. I have almost all, but I'm sure there are others that I don't have. I'll keep looking for them. The goodness with the croton is once it has stuck on the ground, you have no worries. So my worries here is only the termites, guys. Termites. This one is also croton, but termites dealt with it abnormally. Look at the termites over here, another level. Now I don't know, I'm so discouraged, but it's trying to come back to life because it has been raining. So it's like when it rains too much, the termites like disappear for a while, and then when it's too sunny they come back. So this was also very full, very full, but now it's like a skeleton because of the termites. This is another different one, almost like the one we saw with short leaves, but this one has brown and yellow. That one has no yellow or brown. I mean, it has no brown, but this one here has brown and yellow. So just working hard on them so that they don't die out. That's why I always have cuttings in water every now and then. When I come, I make sure there is a cutting. This is my stock of crotons. I will be adding more here. No, in another bucket. You don't put too much. Like this one need to be planted. This one also need to be planted. These two, but these ones are fresh. I just cut them. For the next 3 months, I'll have more cotton. So I'll be adding some before I leave the village. So these are the some cuttings that I came with. I planted them. You can see they're still very young, but with time they will be up and blooming. One thing with cotton also, it does not need a lot of water. You just plant, and when it rains in the beginning, and once it's stuck on the ground, you are good to go. Yeah, So I hope this video will encourage somebody to beautify your space. Yeah, you just get something that you can be able to do without having to worry. So thank you guys for watching this video up to this time. Kindly, those who are watching and are not subscribing, just subscribe and make this channel grow, and also so that YouTube can be able to send this video to a bigger audience. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.